Check, check. One, two, three. This is Pink Flags only. Two girls, one mic, and emotionally questionable decisions. Hi, I'm Mamau.
Hi everyone, Mikasa here.
How are you guys?
I hope you're good, healthy. We just came back from a second trip.
Oh my god, it was an amazing trip.
Yeah.
Did you notice that we did not even understand how did we even reach our destination?
Oh my, we were flying.
I guess that's the fastest we have reached
Yeah,
so far.
yeah,
We've been there like what, twice? Thrice?
yeah, thrice now.
Thrice. That's the fastest we have.
Yes.
Okay.
Been discovering new ways to reach the destination.
The place where I see my love,
Yeah,
apple of my eye.
good.
That was bad. Okay, so in this episode, we are going to talk about a lot of nostalgic things.
Fun and can'ts with it as kids.
Yeah, can'ts, like, not
I wanna
too big of a can'ts, but
I wanna tell listeners कि like हम बचपन से ही ऐसे हैं.
yeah,
It's not that बड़े होकर हम बहुत ज्यादा बकचोदियां कर रहे हैं. नहीं.
yeah, it's always been there.
Yeah, like we are the 90s kids.
Yeah,
So
and we might even prove that we have had a really cool and amazing
childhood.
yeah.
Yeah. So
Where should we start?
did I just hear Polo?
Yeah,
Yeah.
she's back. There are no ghosts here today. Let me share that with our listeners.
Okay. So Mama, tell me one thing.
Mm-hmm.
कि तुमने classes bunk किए हैं, right?
Once.
Once in your whole life?
No, once in my school years. That's it.
Okay, but what grade was it?
9th or 10th?
9th? You'll be shocked when I tell you. जो सबसे पहला क्लास मैंने बंक किया था,
Mm-hmm.
I was in, I think UKG.
So UKG, senior KG?
Yeah. No,
Okay.
yeah, upper KG.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the first time I bunked a class was when I was kid, like chuttu sa bachcha.
Wow.
And I'll tell you the story behind it.
So Mikasa here is like a history bunker.
Yes. Serial bunker.
Serial bunker.
So yeah, what happened was कि जो recess time हुआ था, वो recess time में है ना, मुझे और मेरे भाई को पार्क जाके खेलने का मौका नहीं मिला because बहुत भीड़ था.
Okay.
Okay, so we used to finish our tiffins like quickly and then go to the park, play and then come back to the class.
Okay.
But उस दिन नहीं मिला. तो what he suggested was कि like हम एक काम करते हैं, जब क्लास चालू हो जाएगा ना तब पार्क में कोई नहीं होगा and we'll go and play.
Yeah.
And we were like हाँ. Then he excused himself in the class saying he wants to go to the washroom. मैंने भी वही बोला. हम बाहर आए and we went and we were like playing in the park.
Wow.
At the swings and all those ducky things जो थे, merry-go-round and all those things. And we were playing for such a long time we didn't even realize. So I think watchman ने देखा. And then he called somebody. And then that person came and he was like, why, what you doing here and this, which class are you and blah blah. And then the thing is हम दोनों डरे भी नहीं. हमने उनको बोला कि हमको खेलने नहीं मिला इसलिए हम बाद में आए खेलने के लिए. And they were like कि ठीक है जाओ अभी क्लास. वो क्लास में हमको ड्रॉप किए. टीचर वाज लाइक कि तुम इतने देर से कहाँ थे. एंड वी टीचर को भी हमने वही बोला. बट टीचर से मार पड़ी.
You know what? When you mentioned you and your brother, I was just reminded, like, I don't know, I have a really bad memory.
Okay.
So this just popped up in my mind. I have actually bunked in nursery. So the nursery was right across the street where I used to live. And my cousins were at our place.
Okay.
And I was really, really excited to spend the day with them, but then I had to go to the nursery. And midway through the nursery, I left the nursery and I came home. And the teachers panicked. They were looking for me everywhere, everywhere. And then I mean, there used to be just like 2 or 3 teachers back then handling a nursery.
Yeah.
So one of them came home to look for me. And I was hiding underneath the cot so that they don't take me along with them. She had actually carried my bag and water bottle. Isko mat bhejo wapas. Just keep her home. Let her be with her brothers today. She was talking about them the whole time. And then that's my first bunking. The fact that you mentioned your brother and this is what just popped up.
You are a serial bunker too.
Yeah. We have the same voice.
Yeah.
We have had same traumas. We have similar experiences.
Best friends for a reason.
Yeah. Love chumbak.
The way you said it.
Opposites don't attract.
Yeah, seriously.
Similars do.
Yeah.
Okay. So, any more school cards?
बहुत सारे हैं यार, बहुत सारे. मैंने टीचर की मार खाई है. मैंने आई हैव लाइक एक प्रोफेसर था जिसने ना वो जो डस्टर होता है ना वो फेंक के मारा था मुझे.
There was a teacher, algebra teacher. She used to hit us with chalks.
My algebra, oh my god, algebra teacher से याद है. Wait, I'll tell you a very nice card of mine. तो हुआ क्या था कि recess, अभी this was I think 8th class something, okay. रिसेस हो गए थे. अभी रिसेस में तब 8th क्लास में ना हमको खाना नहीं खाना रहता था, हम बाकी के बकचोदिया करते थे. ठीक है, तो वो सब कुछ करने के बाद हम खाना ना क्लास में खाते थे.
ओह वाओ.
हाँ, तो उस दिन क्या हुआ कि अलजेब्रा टीचर ने बोल दिया कि तुम लोग आगे बैठो. लाइक यार आगे बैठना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, बट हम जाके बैठे आगे सेकंड बेंच और समथिंग आई वाज सिटिंग एट. एंड अलजेब्रा टीचर ना थोड़ा बीच में जाके पढ़ाती थी. तो उसको नहीं दिख रहा था कि सेकंड बेंच पे क्या चल रहा है. ओके, तो आई कन्विंस्ड माय पार्टनर कि यार खोल दे टिफिन, खा लेंगे, कुछ नहीं होता. वो वैसे भी मैम पीछे ही रहती, वो बोर्ड पे कुछ लिखने आती नहीं, कुछ नहीं, एंड वी स्टार्टेड ईटिंग. यू आर द इंस्टिगेटर. या. So we started eating, we were peacefully eating our tiffin. ओके, एंड लास्ट में ना मम्मा ने कुछ ऐसा पेढ़ा टाइप दिया था. ठीक है, मैं वो जैसे मुंह खोली एंड वो डालने जा रही हूँ. ओके, एंड एवरीथिंग आई रिमेम्बर इन वेरी स्लो मोशन. और बाहर से हिंदी की टीचर आई. She is pointing towards me and coming, like running and coming, and saying, वो खा रही है, वो खा रही है, वो खा रही है. And मैंने मुड़ के देखा, the sweet वाला पेढ़ा वाला थिंग इज इन माय हैंड. मैं मुड़ के देख रही हूँ. अभी अलजेब्रा टीचर भी मुड़ी है मेरे को देखने के लिए. ओके, एंड मेरी हिम्मत तो थी ना, मैंने फिर भी वो पेड़ा खाया. वाओ. वो पेड़ा मुंह में घुसाया एंड देन आई स्टूड अप. Me and my partner stood up. बोले पकड़े गए तो देख ही लेंगे, चलो. वो हिंदी टीचर ने क्या किया मुझे नहीं पता. वो अलजेब्रा टीचर जो पीछे पड़ी थप्पड़ मारने के लिए. I ran the whole way back. पूरे क्लास में भागी मैं. एंड फिर भी उसने पकड़ा, थप्पड़ मारा, बाहर खड़ा किया. इतना सब कुछ हुआ. ठीक है, हम दोनों बाहर. उसके बाद इंग्लिश की मैम आई. शी आस्क्ड लाइक व्हाट डिड यू डू. वी वर लाइक लाफिंग एंड लाइक वी वर जस्ट हैविंग चॉकलेट एंड शी गॉट अस. एंड मैम वाज लाइक या ठीक है. शी वाज अ चिल पर्सन. शी वाज लाइक ओके फाइन, नो प्रॉब्लम. बट क्लास टीचर ने जो लगाई उसके बाद, she used to pinch us. She had a very bad temper. She was a South Indian.
Do you realize that back when we were kids, we used to our teachers used to hit us.
They had no
left
mercy
and right
at all.
But we never complained.
Yeah.
Kids these days are like so fragile. And I don't know what's with gentle parenting. It never works, dude. Gentle parenting has never ever worked. Who
हमने
are those
थप्पड़े
parents
खाई है.
who are those parents who are not hitting their kids?
And why?
Why are you not hitting your kids? मेरे सामने कोई बच्चा कुछ कर दे, I'll fucking smack them. है? मम्मी ने नहीं सिखाया तुझे? ले थप्पड़ लगाया. I'm like, no, yeah, I mean, gentle parenting is like, it's fine, but then you have to have some sort of discipline in your life.
ठीक है, मारना डिसिप्लिन नहीं होता, बट आई थिंक इट्स नेसेसरी.
थोड़ा तो खाना ही चाहिए यार, बच्चे ने मार.
मेरा बच्चा खाएगा.
अपने बच्चे खाएंगे, एक दूसरे के बच्चे को भी हम लोग मार सकते हैं, ऐसा रहेगा. दैट्स व्हाट आई फील.
चलेगा.
एक ने गलती किया, दोनों मार खाएंगे. But you know, for that we'll have to live like right across each other so that our kids do can't together.
वो तो कर ही लेंगे अगर दूर भी रहेंगे तो.
Okay, back to our topic. So sorry, it was just like, you know, it's just flashed. Like kids these days, they don't like teacher even shouting at them.
And आजकल के टीचर भी क्या है यार फिर.
हाँ यार, मतलब चिल्लाते नहीं
उनके घर का गुस्सा कहाँ निकालते हैं वो.
Exactly. Back then, our teachers, like we were.
They're
the
puppets.
School, no, the school was rage room for them.
Yeah.
And we were those bottles.
Hit us left, right, center.
I know.
But my class teacher used to pinch so hard.
So
hard. Used to bruise all over like our arms.
But then that's what I miss the most.
I know.
I mean, we had a teacher, like, you know, sir. Okay. And he was really, really strict. Okay. And he believed in equality. He used to hit girls and guys equally. Homework nahi kiya. He used to take his he had that stick, thin wala stick, Vetaji chadi or something like that. And he used to hit with that. And sometimes with scale, sometimes with bookies. And sometimes he used to slap.
I still remember slaps, yeah. I remember the slaps.
My principal hit me. I still have that lump on my hand.
Yeah.
I mean, that was crazy. And I was the only one who was kneeling down outside her office.
What kind did you do?
That was a very pathetic kind. I mean, I was a girl from big town. And I had moved to a very smaller town compared to where I used to live, where we live today. So I was there for like 2.5 years, that's it. And I had this habit of taking cutouts from magazines and newspapers of actors and actresses that I liked.
Yeah.
So I used to watch Harry Potter back then. And I had a cutout of Daniel. So that was a like naked picture of him.
Okay.
I mean,
shirtless maybe.
No.
Completely naked?
Completely naked.
Okay.
But then he was sleeping on his belly. Nothing was visible. Okay. Just like the
silhouette,
side view, something like that. And I had that cut out in one of my pages.
Okay.
And apparently, I don't know who complained. I used to carry that to school, and we had that locker system back in school where we used to keep all our books in school itself.
Yeah.
So that was in my locker. And two teachers entered the classroom and they just walked towards my locker and they were like, get up. I was like, okay. And they checked my locker. I was very confident. I don't have anything. Other girls, they used to bring phones and whatnot to school. Yeah, makeup. Anything, you name. Every girl used to have some or the other thing. And I was one of that, you know, Shana bachas, not to do anything. Always abide by rules and everything. And they found that scrapbook and then they took it. They took it to the principal and my principal was like, you have naked boys in your book? I was like,
there's only one photo.
There's just one photo. There's just one cutout. Do you even see the other pictures that I have in the scrapbook? And she was like, girls like you from big cities spoil girls from small cities. I was like, okay. I had no answer.
Hmm.
I just kept quiet. And she literally, gave me maybe like 20 or 25,
Beatings?
yeah, on each hand.
Oh my.
And that's why I have this like lump on my hand. And I was kneeling down outside her office
Huh.
and I was smiling.
Didn't you tell your parents about this?
I told them.
And nothing?
Nothing. My parents, I used to live with my grandparents and they were pretty chill. Once the school's founder's driver, literally, he was driving the car in the playground area.
That's not allowed.
That's not allowed. And it is a very huge ass playground.
Yeah.
And he was just driving in reverse. He did not even see me and he hit me so bad that I flew. I was like in air for a couple of seconds and I landed on the ground. And I was hurt really bad. The school peons had to literally pick me up and take me to the nearby hospital. Both my knees were gone.
Oh my.
And I was hurt pretty bad. And after that, I was expecting my grandparents to take some action, or at least have a fight with those people.
Yeah.
They did not. My grandfather was pretty chill. Oh no, it's fine. Hoti rehti hai aisi baatein. And I'm looking at my grandfather. I'm like, hello? He just what? I was in the air for a couple of seconds. Do you even understand? I couldn't attend school for like almost 3 weeks. And my grandfather was pretty chill. I mean, मेरा कोई भाव ही नहीं है.
Dude, प्रिंसिपल से याद आया, मुझे एक बार प्रिंसिपल के ऑफिस में लेके गए थे.
हाँ.
पता है क्यों?
क्यों?
क्योंकि किसी लड़के ने मेरे टेबल पे, मेरे बेंच पे एक ग्रीटिंग कार्ड एकदम डेकोरेट करके रख दिया था, confessing his love and all those things. And मैं बेंच पे जाने से पहले जो प्रीफेक्ट्स होता है ना, वो पहुंच गया.
नाइस.
वो ग्रीटिंग कार्ड के बाहर के कवर पे लिखा था माय डियरेस्ट लव.
ओह माय गॉड.
मैं कह रही हूँ यार, माय लव लिखो, माय डियर लिखो. माय डियरेस्ट लव क्या होता है?
Dude, back in school we didn't understand all of these things, no?
कितने एडजेक्टिव लगाओगे तुम? फिर
and you called me a grammar Nazi.
मेरे प्रिंसिपल को लगा कि वो मेरा ग्रीटिंग है, मुझे किसी को देना है.
Oh,
and so she called my parents.
Nice.
And I am explaining my parents कि like नहीं, ये किसी ने मेरे टेबल पे रखा है, मैं किसी को नहीं दे रही हूँ. मेरे पेरेंट्स को मेरे पे भरोसा नहीं. They don't want, like, नहीं, हमारी बच्ची ही कांड कर सकती है.
Our parents believed that, we were the one.
Yeah.
Always.
इसी ने किया होगा
गलती. We were the instigators for our family. हमारा बच्चा ही गलत हो सकता है. We never had
आग लग गई, इसलिए लगाई होगी.
Oh God.
मैंने तो मार्क्स भी चेंज किए हैं.
Wow.
मेरे खुद के नहीं, मेरी फ्रेंड रो रही थी, उसके मार्क्स जो भी 6 मिला था 16 कर दिया मैंने. वो भी किया है मैंने.
Nice.
हमने तो दिवाली पार्टी में बॉम्ब्स भी फोड़े हैं वॉशरूम में.
Is there anything that you have not done?
See, I was a good kid as well. मैं हमेशा टॉप 3 में ही आती थी. मैं डिबेट्स, एलोक्यूशंस सब में. मैं हेड गर्ल थी 10th में. So I used to study. I was everywhere doing good things. But मेरा ये भी कांड सब चालू थे. The only area that was not my expertise was sports.
I was good at sports. I was in my volleyball team. We represented our school state level.
I have represented my school for elocutions and debates. मेरी मुंह जो चलता है ना चर वो उसी की वजह से.
I wonder if you always said anyways in your elocution.
I think so. बोला ही होगा मैंने.
Economy.
Economy. ये स्कूल और कॉलेज पे ज्यादा डिफरेंस लगा नहीं, क्योंकि कांड तो सेम ही कर रही थी मैं।
हाँ.
बस ये था कि कभी लेक्चर बैठी नहीं। स्कूल में लेक्चर्स में बैठ के कांड किए हैं,
Hmm.
कॉलेज में कांड ही कांड किए, लेक्चर किए नहीं है।
College was like way different. Like for me, being a very shant bacha in school, and in college I was like the opposite.
आजादी मिल गई।
Azadi, it was like Pro Max. We
Okay.
used to always, bunk lectures. I even got my first tattoo when I mean, even before I turned 18.
Oh,
Yeah.
which one was that?
The first tattoo was on my back, the unicorn.
Oh.
And that was when I was 17. And वहां पर जाने के बाद tattoo artist पूछता है, "Are you 18?" Yeah, don't I look 18? And then he did not even ask me for an ID. I was like, thank God. And I was like, what do you want to do? Like, unicorn. I have a pink and black unicorn on my back. God. But I don't regret any of my tattoos.
होना भी नहीं चाहिए ना।
Yeah. मुझे वो time पर I was into those things.
Right.
And I'm pretty much, in love with all my tattoos. I have 10.
I think more than 10.
Yeah, but I mean, if you club these together, it's like one in the same. I got these stars like one at a time or two at a time.
Okay.
So, अगर ऐसे अलग-अलग गिनते हैं तो it's like 18. But then if you just club these stars, it's like 10.
तुम्हारी कॉलेज की शुरुआत टैटू से हुई थी।
Yeah.
हमारी हुई थी नोटिस बोर्ड पे से नोटिस चुराने से।
Wow.
कुछ तो आई डोंट रिमेम्बर व्हाई वी डिड दैट,
Mm-hmm.
बट वो ऐसा था कि हम फंसेंगे, लाइक माय ग्रुप,
Mm-hmm.
हम फंसेंगे अगर वो नोटिस वहीं पे रही तो हमने नोटिस ही उठा लिया। वो जो नोटिस पेपर रहता है ना, वही गायब किया नोटिस बोर्ड के ऊपर से कि नहीं, नोटिस लगी ही नहीं थी, इसलिए हमने कुछ किया ही नहीं।
Nice.
आई थिंक कोई पेरेंट टीचर मीटिंग और समथिंग था।
Oh my goodness.
तो हमने वही उठा लिया, सेइंग कि कहाँ है नोटिस, हमें क्या पता पेरेंट्स को बुलाना है। समथिंग लाइक दैट, वी डिड दैट।
So back in college, like the 11th, 12th wala, um, we were a group of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 girls.
Okay.
One was a swimming champ, the other one was a karate champ, one was table tennis, the other one was a athlete, and I was a volleyball player.
Okay.
All sports people in a group, and we used to always represent our college everywhere. And I was the volleyball captain. And the 5 of us, first drink,
Okay.
first hookah, first smoke, first bunking college, going outside and actually going out to explore the city.
Okay.
Everything with them. Every first with them.
Oh.
And that was a great group, yeah.
So did you guys meet in college?
Yeah.
Or...
No, one of them, since we lived in the same area, 3 of us were in the same school.
Okay.
Earlier, when before I left the city.
Okay.
For 2.5 years, we were in the same school. So we, vaguely remembered each other that, okay, we have seen each other in school and something like that. And then the other two had, they were completely new to us.
Okay.
So, but I mean, we became friends in college. We did not know each other.
Understood.
Before.
I used to, like, during my college, I used to go to my boyfriend's college and attend lectures there.
Oh, even I have done that. I've
like Bhaltech college पे जाके lectures attend करो.
Yeah.
तो subjects भी नहीं है तुम्हारे.
Exactly.
Those were not even arts or sociology or something था. वो तो था भी नहीं मेरा subject. And वो professor भी उसको समझ में नहीं आया.
Dude, that professor was like looking at me as if they know me, they see me every day.
Yeah.
I was like nodding my head as if I'm understanding everything that they're teaching. Oh God, that was funny.
You know what? एक बार केमिस्ट्री का जर्नल सबमिट करता है ना एग्जाम से पहले,
हाँ हाँ.
तो फिर हमारा कंप्लीट नहीं था एंड बाकी स्टूडेंट्स ने दे दिया, उनका सबमिट कर दिया लैब में. तो व्हाट मी एंड माय फ्रेंड्स डिड वाज, अभी एक दिन में थोड़ी ना कंप्लीट होना है हमारा जर्नल, हमने उन लोगों का जर्नल गायब करवा दिया.
Wow.
कि saying कि even we submitted our journals but the chemistry department ने घुमा दिया.
Anything else?
So
This is-
we
this is
always
so-
blamed the institute
Wow.
for doing can'ts.
Classic. Classic Mikasa. And I would, like to mention that, back then life was very slow, very meaningful, and we never felt rushed. Though there
Yeah.
was a lot of chaos and fun and,
We were the chaos
everything.
back then.
Yeah, we were the chaos.
Yeah.
But everything just felt right.
The routine was peaceful.
Yeah.
We never had so many thoughts in our head.
No responsibilities.
हाँ वो तो है.
हाँ मतलब वो
But
एज में
still-
नॉर्मली किसी के ऊपर नहीं होती है
हाँ.
रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज. बट आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू आवर पेरेंट्स फॉर गिविंग अस a life where we did not have any stress or tension, or we just got to enjoy.
I am also grateful that we were born in the 90s.
Yeah.
Like the millennials, we call, the lucky generation. So I am very grateful for that. You've seen both the sides.
Yeah.
Even if we are hanging in the middle somehow, but still,
Yeah.
I think we value things much more than what Gen Z or any other generation.
I agree.
Your nodding is not gonna show in the podcast. You have to talk.
Yeah, I was like,
कब से nod करते बैठे
yeah, I
हो?
was nodding and I was like, oh my god, I need to speak because this is an audio podcast.
हाँ ना.
Nobody would like know that I'm nodding.
I am so tired and sleepy right now. I am so sorry to say this, but it's like my first day of periods as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
I understand.
Yeah.
Are you feeling well?
I am. I'm like okay-ish kind of thing.
Do you need any pampering from me?
नहीं, it's okay. Thank you. But आजकल पता नहीं, we have started recording our episodes pretty late. Like, 11-12 बजे record करते हैं रात को हम.
Yeah, dude. Our routines are like
so hectic right now.
I know, right? Everything is like just happening all together.
Very rushed, I feel nowadays. आराम करने नहीं मिलता है.
Any new update in your life?
Regarding?
Anything?
नहीं. उल्टा, everything is very stagnant is what I feel. And I'm
Nothing
not liking
new?
it. I'm not just liking the stagnant thing. I don't know, maybe
you are the sculptor of your life.
I know, but I'm just counting on, कि last time भी Jan and Feb kind of, brought a fresh thing in my life. Maybe this year life will give me some freshness. I don't know in what form, but maybe.
The freshness is me. But right now my freshness is
dull.
No, it's not dull. It's like diverted to some other
आप
things.
मुझे attention नहीं दे रहे हो.
हाँ.
And पूछ रहे हो मुंह उठा के pampering चाहिए क्या? शक्ल देखिए अपनी.
I am no more the chaotic person that you have to take care of.
You are. You still.
No, I mean the kind of care
बकचोदिया you were doing, you're still doing the same thing. मुझे still तुम्हारे कान संभालने पड़ते हैं कि इसके घर पे ये ना पता चले. अगर पता चल गया तो अच्छा ठीक है, मुझे ये संभालना है या कहीं और बाहर किसी को संभालना है. चुप रहो.
I just feel like we are reliving our teen years.
We are.
The only difference is we have money.
हाँ,
We have our own
own
money
money.
that we are not answerable.
Yeah. Also that रात को 2 बजे भी घर पे आए तो अब
हाँ
गालियां नहीं पड़ती.
हाँ मम्मी पापा बस they're thankful बच्ची घर पे आ गई.
हाँ, बस हो गया है. ऊपर से नीचे सही है, हाँ सही है, ठीक है, कुछ टूटा नहीं है.
Dude, I've seen a like shift, okay, in my parents'
हाँ.
behavior. Earlier they used to be like, where are you going? Whom are you going out with? What time are you going to come back?
Yeah.
And these days
And they
they're
used to
like,
call,
yeah, continuously.
हाँ.
Where are you? What time is it?
Yeah.
And these days my parents are like, beta aayegi ghar? I'm like, yeah, I'll be back.
My mother just calls me and she's be like, किसके साथ है? मैंने said, माँ. She's like, okay, ठीक है. रख देती है बेचारी, वो कुछ पूछती भी नहीं है.
Dude, we have really cool parents. And you know what? So Sushi just gifted me like tons of miniatures.
Okay.
And they are in my wardrobe right now. So I'm collecting all of those for the bar counter. And my mother, I was arranging them this morning, and my mother, I called my mother, hey, come here. And she was like, yeah, what is it about? I was like, look. And she's like, wow. My mother from 10 years ago would have actually hit me with a chapel. Now she's like, oh wow, they're so cute.
Same thing happened with me. You remember my mother saw my snap of me smoking?
Yeah.
God.
You were so scared and tensed.
Obviously, because she doesn't like me smoking. Okay?
No,
but
mother
that
would.
doesn't mean कि वो कहती रहते कि बंद कर या छोड़ दिया, something like that. No. She knows I smoke, I drink, and I do what I do. I tell my parents about it. She doesn't approve of it. No mother will. And then me clicking a picture and posting it on social is what she will never agree to. And I did that. Now, क्या हुआ कि स्नैपचैट पे मैंने माँ को ब्लॉक कर दिया है. तो फिर देखा कैसे मेरी माँ ने. And very first thing, what is my mother doing on Snapchat?
Exactly. That was my next question. I was like, why was your mother on Snapchat?
Yeah. ठीक है, हो आप Snapchat पे चलो. But मैंने आपको ब्लॉक किया है. फिर भी आपको मेरे snaps कैसे दिख रहे हैं? My God, she literally ate my sister up. ये तेरी बहनी है ना, देख ये ब्रेसलेट उसी का है. देख ये उसी के बाल है. Why is she smoking? If she's smoking, why is she posting? And she took a screenshot.
Wow.
I got a notification that somebody took a screenshot of your snap. But now Snapchat doesn't tell you who took the screenshot.
Yeah, it doesn't.
And then my sister, oh my God, वो मेरी दूसरी माँ बन के इतना दिमाग खाई. Not दिमाग नहीं खाई उसने. She was concerned. She was like कि अभी मैं दोनों को कैसे संभालूं?
Yeah.
But somehow she managed to delete that photo from my mother's.
Wow.
And my mother also didn't make any fuss. शाम को जब बात
I was actually scared. I was like, wow,
मुझे लगा था मेरी क्लास लगेगी. Even if I'm in my 30s, डर लगता है माँ से.
हाँ, डर तो लगता है.
तो अभी तो तुम भी डरे थे. यार एक रील वायरल गया यार, इतना प्यारा वायरल गया वो रील.
We had how many views?
I think 80K or something. We were so close to 100K.
I had to delete my account because my mother freaked out. But why? Because in that reel, Mikasa was buying alcohol from a wine shop and I recorded it. And the audio was like equally funny. Yeah. Washing powder Nirma. Washing powder Nirma.
God.
But then that was on point. Okay.
Yeah.
We can make viral content.
Yes, we do.
We are viral.
चले फिर?
चला.
निघूया आता बस झालं?
Yes. Time to sign off.
Yes.
What's our next episode going to be about? And next episode is also Is it the second last or the last episode of this season?
Second last.
Second last. We're
Yeah.
doing 7 episodes.
7 episodes.
Okay. So yeah, next episode is the second last episode of this season.
Yeah.
And
Not yet decided
let's just go with the flow. Or maybe, we could give small updates or anything.
I think our relationship with alcohol.
Oh my goodness, that's something we could definitely discuss.
Just because we were talking about alcohol right now, it just came up.
Yeah, we could do that.
Hana?
Yeah. Sounds like a good plan to me.
Because we have been in a relationship with alcohol since we were, 16 or 17?
18.
You were 18, I was 17.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
We should do that.
Yeah. We need to jot down everything.
Yeah. Coming up next on Pink Flags Only
is
Mikasa and Mama's relationship with
alcohol. Yay! 4 bottle vodka का मेरा रोज का.
उसके बाद क्या हाल होता था?
Waka waka.
Anyways, guys, this is Pink Flags Only signing off. Same chaos, different episode. Come back again for our next episode.
Toodles. Take care, babies.